Hello all, I am Safana. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. TCMC or Travancore Cochin Medical Council. The Kerala State Legislature passed the Kerala State Medical Practitioners Act 2021 to replace Travancore Cochin Medical Practitioners Act 1953. The first initiative to form a council was taken by the Maharaja of Travancore in 1944. The bill was debated in the Assembly and officially passed as Act Number 7 of 1119 on March 1, 1119. The Travancore Medical Council consists of 17 members from various disciplines. Allopathy, modern medicine, Ayurveda, Siddha Vaidya, Unani and homeopathy were formed under this law. This act is called the Travancore Medical Practitioners Act. After independence, this act was replaced by the Travancore Cochin Medical Practitioners Act 1953. Thus, the Kerala State Medical Council is the successor of erstwhile Travancore Cochin Medical Council established under the TCMC Act 1953. A good standing certificate is required for all doctors who wanted to migrate abroad. Today's video is for those who don't know how to get good standing certificate from TCMC. First of all, let's see what the documents required for this. SSLC, degree certificate, registration certificate, experience certificate, passport copy, Aadhaar, blood group, father name, mother name, email ID, mobile number, address and photo. All documents should be clear scanned copies. You can apply for good standing through Kerala State Medical Council's online portal. You will get the copy in 25 working days. If you want to know the fee and other details, just go through the link medicalcouncil.kerala.government.in. That's all for today's video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Until then, stay tuned. It's me, Safana, signing off. Thank you so much for watching.